anime na profile picture, please change po. Kasi po, baka po ang mailagay ko sa class record nyo ay Naruto. So, sino to si Naruto? Okay? So, sino to si Taylor Swift? Sino tong manga anime na ito? Okay po? So, please change your profile picture. Dapat po ay makita ko na yan mamaya kapag mag-check ulit ako. Because tomorrow, we will having again our kumustahan. Okay po? Is there any questions? Okay, so as of now, wala pa? Okay. So reminder, let's have a reminder. Tomorrow, August 17, we will talk about the core values via Google Meet also. Same link and same time, 10 a.m. And on August 18, safety procedures and protocol, because later on or to be announced, we will having a face-to-face class. So we need to follow the safety procedures and protocols. So on August 18, we will tackle about this. Same link, Google Meet, and same time, 10 a.m. And next, this is some of my issues yesterday and today, emails and contact number. Because some of your classmates didn't put emails and contact numbers. That's why wala sila sa ating group chat. So, isend nyo po ulit sa ating sa ating group chat yung active Gmail account and active contact number of your parents para po if I having a announcement ay sila po ang unang makakaalam. Okay po? Is it clear, class? Okay. Active email po active email account and contact number of your parents or guardian. Okay? And last, so change your profile picture and name. Okay? So that's our reminder. Okay. So now I want you to open your camera. All of you, please open your camera. And I will call some student that will share his or her experience in elementary days. And if you are ready, if you are ready to enter high school life, because they said high school life is the best. Okay, and it's true, high school life is the best. So I want you to enjoy your grade 7 year because you are my bunso. You are my mga anak. Okay, so let's now have Cesar. Cesar, can you please share your experience from elementary days and are you ready to enter high school?
Okay po. Pag elementary ako, kulit ako. Very kulit.
Very kulit.
Yeah, ang daming friends ako. Always troublemaker. And now older na ako, some of that kulit has worn off, but I hope I can still have my fun moments and madaming kaibigan ako.
Okay. So, thank you, Cesar. So, I know this year you will having a many friends, all your classmates, and some in other sections. Maybe you can be friends with them. And also, you said you are very Colette when you were in elementary days. You can be very Colette when you are at home, but you have you can control it, okay? And if you are in class, behave, of course. And you said also that you are a troublemaker eh, when you were in elementary.
I think I think I exaggerate.
Si ate
Parang
nag-iisip na.
sometimes, like, sometimes
Sometimes.
kulit.
Tinet
Sometimes because you are very colette, sometimes
kasi
that's why you make
hindi niya
a
alam nakapokus ako
trouble.
sa kanya.
But I hope this your high school life and your grade 7 years would it be fun, and also you can learn more, and also
Yung link
your
connected doon sa
classmates will teach you some Filipino words so you can speak
hindi alam niya.
Filipino
Hindi
straight,
niya alam
okay,
nakapokus ako sa
fluently.
kanya.
Okay? Thank you, Cesar. Next, let's have wait. Let's have Bondok. Bondok,
Ah,
Charlie J.
saya po.
Masaya. Okay, Charlie, how happy you were when you were in elementary days?
Hmm.
Basta masaya nung elementary because it's
Pwede
not
naman talaga
hindi
login
pa
yung
naman
grade yun.
masyadong mabibigat yung mga inaaral, 'di ba? So are you ready to enter your high school? So you entered you entered already your high school life. Are you ready?
Opo.
Okay, looking forward na maging maayos ang ating pagsasamahan. Okay, next, let's have Beatrice. Beatrice,
Yes po.
can you share your experience when you were in elementary?
Um,
Nag-isip niya, nagsusulat.
my experience was good.
Was good?
Yes.
Okay. And are you ready
Yes.
and excited? Do you feel excited?
Yes po.
Do you feel
Yes po.
who is feeling excited? Please raise your arm. Who's feeling excited and nervous at the same time?
Okay, tingnan ko na.
Are you nervous, class? Don't be nervous. You can do it. I know you are all you are all good, and I am looking forward to meet you all in person. Okay? So now, let's have
I'm
a
not ready.
quick questions and answer. So, let me check the chat box. A while ago,
Mag-comment kaya ako dito.
someone asked if when is the face-to-face class. As of now, ay to be announced po ang face-to-face class kung kailan po. Wala pa pong exact date ang binibigay. To be announced po. Next, sino pa po may tanong? Do you have questions, class? Wala na po? Ano po yung mga subjects? So, Cesar, the subjects are English. We have English, Filipino, Science, MAPE, Music, Arts, PE, and Health. So, there are 4 components in MAPE. And what else? Mathematics, and ESP. ESP is like a GMRC, good manners and right conduct. So that's the subject. So, and also we will having a subject orientation next week. Okay po? Other questions? Ana Claudette, so what's your question? Ana, ilan po yung notebook na kailangan? Then, as of now, class, hindi pa po nagbibigay ng exact announcement regarding po sa mga notebooks. I think next week po, because next week, ayun po ang subject orientation. You will meet your subject teachers. Sanisha, may geometry na po ba? Grade 7, I think walang geometry sa grade 7. Ano po color coding ng notebook? It depends po. It depends on your subject teachers. You will meet them next week. Ano po yung mga school supplies na kailangan? To be announced po dahil po this week class, it's not a regular class pa po. Nagkakamustahan pa lang. It's only a kumustahan po. So next week po, we will having an orientation next week, August 22. May books po ba? It depends po if i-allow po kayo ng subject teachers. Teacher learning package po ba or books? Malalaman po iyan next week po sa ating orientation. Dahil wala pa po sa aming binababang memo po. Okay po? Other questions po? Questions, class? Do you have any questions, clarifications? Yes po. Yes, Cesar. And next week you will meet the prefect of discipline. So you can ask them, Cesar, for the counseling and the guidance office. Complete uniform na po ba sa 22? So if you have your uniform, you can wear it, class. You can wear it na po on 22. But on 22 class, it's online pa rin po. Yes po, I am your advisor, class. I am your advisor this year. Any questions pa po? Kailan po ang face-to-face? To be announced po. To be announced po ang face-to-face class. Any questions po? Clarifications? Okay, so let me see. So you are 41 students here. Okay, so please turn on your camera, class. Let's have a picture. So class, see you again tomorrow and the next day. Okay, and if you have questions, clarification, and queries, feel free to message me on Facebook Messenger or in our Messenger group. Okay, so please add me on Facebook so I can add you on our group chat. Okay po? So that's my Facebook account. Okay, now let's have a picture. Please turn on your camera.